responsibility, a very important responsibility for us as well as the institutes becomes to lay down the options and choices, right? But help the student find something he's very passionate about. Because this is also an age when a lot of things sound very interesting based on very smaller reasons, right?
Yes.
Which don't necessarily go along with you for a long time in your career, but
Correct.
temporarily are great fixes for whatever you want to achieve. Short success or a momentary gain to a long-term strategy in career making is something that an institute must help a child decide what he needs to pursue. So I'm looking for people who are, even if they're not decided what they want to do, but they wish to come in and explore. I'm very happy to have such kids on board. As employers of tomorrow, we are bound to tell them where they lack and need to improve upon. So that shouldn't come to somebody as a rude shock after the whole cycle is complete, right? The fact is we are all today, even us, are in process of self-improvement.
That's
and
right. Yes.
That journey shouldn't feel like end of a curriculum and now I'm ready, right? We need to make learning and development as much a quality of as our hard work as continuous work in progress projects, which everybody does on themselves or follows for themselves. So I think these are some of the things that I think institutes, students themselves, and their future employers are looking for. Well, I wish I attended your school. It's a brilliant initiative, to be honest. Right. It's a brilliant initiative for you to be able to make your past students part of an entrepreneurial community, which is very, very interesting. And I meet a lot of students who wish to pursue a dream and are always hesitant because of multiple reasons. Either they scare themselves too much, or they have dreams which are, when they tell me about it, I say, you might want to think a bit more about it.
Yes.
A lot of it comes from very limited spare of knowledge and information, which when you become a part of a forum like this, when you hear chats, when you listen to speakers, your brain starts to open to another dimension of this business. Entrepreneurial skills are extremely important and are going to be the thing of the future. Yes. I think it's an excellent initiative. I think you should definitely teach all your students to go out before they think of putting in their money or anyone they know or any VC, anybody's money into a project. They should have at least 2 to 3 years of working experience, which should be made mandatory, so that and clarity of the vision. But I think when students get exposed to this automatically comes in.
For a great hospitality career, call 98310 50,000.